Welcome back to All in a Law, and this is a very interesting fact I'm going to tell you today that our body secretes nearly 7,000 ml of juices. Do you know that? I'm not talking about any fruit juice here. I'm talking about the body juices. Like, for example, I will tell you, this is really shocking, right? So remember the saliva. The saliva in a day is normal adult is secreted around 1500 ml. Just imagine in a day 1500 we are salivating so much more than an organ. Then sorry. Then gastric secretions. Gastric juice is around 2500 ml in a day. And the third thing is the bile. The bile is around 500 ml. That helps in the burning the fat, right? And another important thing is a pancreatic juice. Pancreatic juice contributes to around 1500 ml. And another one important thing is the last but one, intestinal juices is around 1000 ml. So just if you add up, it will be around 7,000 ml in a day. Normal adult human being will secrete this much amount of juices. Okay guys, this is really very important. Thank you so much. Bye.